Need a versatile cleaning powerhouse? Meet the AR Blue Clean AR390SS, a pressure washer designed for flexibility in any task. This isn't just another pressure washer. The AR Blue Clean AR390SS is built to handle a wide range of jobs with ease. Whether you're washing your car, cleaning your patio, or tackling tough grime on your driveway, this machine brings 2,000 psi of pressure at 1.4 gallons per minute, 33 times the force of a typical garden hose. That kind of power can handle almost any task you throw at it. What really sets it apart is the design. Weighing in at just 31 pounds and standing at 35 inches tall, the AR390SS is portable, compact, and easy to maneuver, even with its heavy-duty capabilities. Its lightweight plastic frame and integrated wheels make it perfect for anyone who needs to move quickly from one job to the next. With the onboard 30-foot hose reel, you're not fighting tangle hoses or losing time. Everything stays neat, organized, and ready to go. The 35-foot power cord with GFCI ensures you're safe while covering a large area without constantly searching for outlets. The real versatility comes from its 4 quick connect nozzles: 0 degrees, 25 degrees, soap, and turbo. Each nozzle transforms the AR390SS for different tasks. The 0 degrees nozzle is perfect for high-precision tasks like stubborn stains on concrete, while the 25 degrees nozzle delivers broad cleaning for surfaces like decks and fences. Switching to the soap nozzle makes applying detergent effortless, while the turbo nozzle is your go-to for serious grime. And let's talk about that detergent system. The 0.38-gallon onboard soap tank lets you customize your soap mix with the adjustable dilution dial. This means you can tackle dirt without ever worrying about overdoing it or wasting detergent. The machine automatically switches between water and soap with a simple change of nozzles, streamlining your cleaning process. The AR390SS also features a total stop system, TSS, meaning the motor shuts off when the trigger isn't engaged, prolonging the pump's lifespan and saving energy. Less wear on the machine equals a longer life, so you can trust this washer for the long haul. When compared to the competition in its price range, the AR390SS stands out with 2,800 cleaning units. That's a perfect balance of power and water flow for its class. While other machines might offer slightly higher PSI or GPM, the AR390SS delivers consistency and reliability in every cleaning situation. From patios and driveways to cars and even outdoor furniture, this pressure washer adapts effortlessly to your needs, making it the most versatile choice in its class. Built by Novi Reverberi, a company known for its durable, Italian-crafted pumps, you can trust this machine will hold up under tough conditions. Need something more heavy-duty? The best Simpson pressure washer is the pro's choice for demanding tasks. It's ready to play on the screen now.